Show distinct column values in Pyspark Dataframe. With Pyspark Dataframe, how do you do the equivalent of pandas df, or col.unique? I want to list out all the unique values in a Pyspark Dataframe column. Not the SQL type way, register template then SQL query for distinct values. Also I don't need group B then count distinct, instead I want to check distinct values in that column.
This should help to get distinct values of a column. Note that .collect doesn't have any built-in limit on how many values can return, so this might be slow. Use .show instead or add .limit 20 before .collect to manage this.
Let's assume we're working with the following representation of data, 2 columns, K and V, where K contains 3 entries, 2 unique. With a pandas data frame, this returns an array, i.e. array, foo, bar, type equals object. You asked for a Pyspark dataframe alternative for pandas df, col.unique. Now, given the following Spark dataframe, if you want the same result from Spark, i.e. an array, use to pandas. Alternatively, if you don't need an array specifically, and just want a list of the unique values of column K, finally, you can also use a list comprehension as follows.
You can use df.drop duplicates, col1, col2 to get only distinct rows based on colcs in the array.
If you want to see the distinct values of a specific column in your data frame, you would just need to write the following code. It would show the 100 distinct values, if 100 values are available, for the colname column in the df data frame. If you want to do something fancy on the distinct values, you can save the distinct values in a vector.
Collect_set can help to get unique values from a given column of Pyspark.sql.dataframe.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.